Hi everyone, I am Prasanna, working as a assistant professor in BVC Engineering College, Vadal. So in this video, we are going to find inverse DFT using FFT algorithm. So in order to find inverse DFT, first we will write equation on it, that is x of n equal to 1 by n summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power plus j 2 pi by n into kn. Okay, so this is the formula for the inverse DFT. So that is nothing but inverse DFT of x of k. Where n value is from 0 to n minus 1, 0, 1 to so on, n minus 1. So in order to implement this using FFT algorithm, it may be DIT or DIF. We need twiddle factors and represent the entire equation in twiddle factor. So here we need twiddle factor Wn of k. So actually Wn of k equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n into k. So this is the representation of twiddle factor. So substitute this twiddle factor in the equation. So x of n equal to 1 by n sigma k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power, here in this equation we are having plus, but here we are having negative term, so we can write it as Wn of minus k. Here the twiddle factor is positive and actual formula for twiddle factor is e power minus j 2 pi by n into k. So we replace this value e power plus j 2 pi by n into k. So that is, now the main thing is what the twiddle factor is negative, that is Wn of minus k. But as well as for W8 of 0 and W8 of 4, that is 8 point and 4 points are positive twiddle factors. Here the twiddle factor is in negative form, that was we are make it positive, that is Wn of k, it is exponential term, e power minus j 2 pi by n is negative, that written as positive when it considered as a complex conjugative. Here take exponential term Wn of k is equal to e power j 2 pi by n into k. So it can be taken as e power minus j theta. E power minus j theta is equal to cos theta minus j sin theta, and e power plus j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. If I take complex conjugative on both sides, it may be possible to write the twiddle factor in positive term. So if I take complex conjugative on both sides, then x star of, that is nothing but x conjugative of n equal to 1 by n sigma k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x conjugative of capital X conjugative of k twiddle factor Wn of k. kn. So here also n, because here e power j 2 pi by n into kn. So right here twiddle factor wn of minus kn, and here we are applied conjugative, so write it as wn of kn. Now we are going to find inverse DFT or inverse Fourier transform. Now whenever we are finding inverse DFT for either DIT or FFT algorithms, the notifications are going to be same. Onto the change is inputs. The input must be given in x of k forms, then we can take it as x conjugative of k. So if it is x of k, find its x star of k, and based on we get inverse DFT sequence for the given points. Next we are going to see the problem on inverse DFT by using 8 point and 4 points. So here it is the problem for 8 point sequence by using DIT FFT algorithm. Here we are going to find the inverse DFT. So here the given data is x of k equal to 8 7 zeros. That is nothing but here the given discrete time sequence is 8, n equal to 8. Here we are going to take x of k as conjugative, that is x conjugative of k is equal to 870. So here it is the given data. Whenever we are taking conjugative for the given sequence, then only the twiddle factor will be positive. That's why we are applying conjugative to the given input. So next, our first step is, already we seen in previous videos problems on DIT FFT. So same processor, we are having 10 steps in DIT FFT algorithm. See here our first step is, here we are going to find the number of samples. So number of samples formula is n equal to 2 power m. Here n value is 8, so 2 power m. So 8 can be written as 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is equal to 2 power m. Here m is equal to 3. Here m is nothing but an integer. Next we are coming to the second step. Here inputs must be in reversal order and outputs are in normal order. So here see, first of all outputs are must be in normal order, that is nothing but x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3 and so on, x of 7 form. So here the given data is also in the form of x of 0 normal order form. So actually we are taking outputs are normal order and given inputs are in reversal order. So change the normal order into reversal order. So here we got 3 samples. For 3 inputs we are getting 8 combinations in binary. So we got 8 combinations, that is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1. So here for the input side we need to convert the normal order into reversal order. Here the binary sequence is taken from back side, that is reversing 0 0 0. So likewise here we are taking it from 1 0 0. So for x of 2 also 0 1 0. So here x of 3, here it is 1. So we are taking from LSB bit side. Here it is LSB and MSB. So LSB written is first at the reverse side, that can be taken as MSB. So 1 1 0. So likewise 0 0 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1. So here for these binary digits we are having sampling values, that is x of 0 for 1 1 0 is x of 4, 0 1 0 is x of 2 and 1 1 0 is x of 6, 0 0 1 is x of 1, 1 0 1 is x of 5, 0 1 1 is x of 3 and 1 1 is x of 7. So here we are having at x of 0 the sampling value is 8, that is nothing but at x of 0 sampling value is 8 and all other values are zeros. That's why here we have written x, all other values are zeros. So this is reversal and it is normal order. So inputs are in reversal order and outputs are in normal order. Here this is the input for the butterfly structure. And next our third step is, here we are going to find the number of stages. So number of stages equal to is m equal to log base to n. So here already we know the n value, that is 8. So m is equal to log base 2. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So here we got m is equal to 3. That is nothing but we are having 3 stages. And next we are coming to the fourth step. Here we are going to find the number of butterflies in each stage, that is our formula is n by 2. So n is equal to 8. So we are having 4 butterflies in each stage. Next, and at the same time, fifth step, here we are going to find the input and output separation, that for each stage is 2 power m minus 2 power small m minus 1. So small m is the stage index. So for each stage, small m value will be changes. For stage 1, small m value equal to 1. Then input and output separation is 1. And for stage 2, small m value is 2. Input and output separation is 2. And for stage 3, small m value is 3. Input and output separation is 4. By this formula, we are getting these values 1 to 4. And next, we are coming to the sixth steps. Here we are going to find the number of multiplications and additions are required to find the inverse DFT sequence. So here the formula for multiplication is n by 2 log base to n. So here n equal to 8. And at the same time, for number of additions, our formula is n log base to n. So here n equal to 8, we get 24 additions. So here we need 12 multiplications and 24 additions are required to design the inverse DFT sequence. Inverse DFT for the given sequence x of k. Next, our eighth step is, in eighth step we are going to find the Twiddle factor. Our Twiddle factor formula is Wn of k. So for already we know the n value, we need to know the k. So here k is equal to nt by 2 power m. Already we know m is equal to stage index. Here m is small m, that is stage index, and n value also we know, but we don't know the k. So we are going to find the k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, 2 power m minus 1 minus 1. So here small m, here we are having small m, that is nothing but we are going to find 3 stages. So for stage 1, small m value is equal to 1, and find the t value. Here we got t is equal to 0, then find the k. So here k is equal to nt by 2 power m, that is 8 into 0 by 2 power 1, that is equal to 0. Here k equal to 0, then the Twiddle factor is Wn of k equal to W8 of 0. Next, and at the same time, for stage 2, small m is equal to 2, then k is equal to nt by 2 power m, then t is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, 2 power m minus 1. So here we got t is equal to 0, 1. So when t is equal to 0, k equal to, here we got and t is equal to 0, we got k is equal to 0, and the Twiddle factor Wn of k equal to W8 of 0. And at the same time, when t is equal to 1, here k is equal to, we got 2. Then Wn of k, Twiddle factor equal to W8 of 0, W8 of 2. So in stage 2 we got 2 Twiddle factors, and we are coming to the stage 3. Small m is equal to 3, then k, where k is equal to nt by 2 power m. So t is equal to 2 power m minus 1 minus 1. So take t is we got here t is equal to 3, then take the previous values also, that is nothing but t is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and find when t is equal to 0, we got here k equal to 0, then the Twiddle factor is W8 of 0, and likewise for t is equal to 1, Twiddle factor is W8 of 1, and for t is equal to 2, the Twiddle factor W8 of 2, and for t is equal to 3, here we got k is equal to 3 and the Twiddle factor is Wn of k. So here for the 3 stages we got 4 Twiddle factors, that is W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2, W8 of 3. So here we are going to find the Twiddle factors W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2, W8 of 3. So here the formula for Twiddle factor is e power minus j 2 pi by n into k. So here it is equal to Wn of k. So here we are having in place of n 8 and here we are taking k equal to 0. So then here e power minus j 2 pi by n value is 8 into k value is 0. So that is here we got e power 0, that is 1. W8 of 0 value equal to 1. And likewise for W8 of 1. So W8 of 1 equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1, that is equal to e power minus j pi by 4. So here e power minus j theta can be written as cos theta minus j sin theta. So here in place of theta we are having pi by 4, then write cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. So here cos pi by 4 value is 0.707 minus j 0.707. And next we are coming to the W8 of 2. We are going to find e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2. So here we are having e power minus j pi by 2. We are writing it as cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Here cos pi by 2 value is 0 and sin pi by 2 value is 1. Then here we got minus j. Next our next Twiddle factor W8 of 3 is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n into k. So here we got e power minus j 3 pi by 4, that can be written as cos 3 pi by 4 minus j sin 3 pi by 4. Here we got W8 of 3 is equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So these are the Twiddle factor answer values. And we are coming to the 9 and 10 steps. Here we are going to find the exponent repeat factor, that is in previous step we find the Twiddle factors for 3 stages. Here we are going to find the how the Twiddle factors are repeated in each stage. So here our formula for exponent repeat factor ERF is equal to 2 power capital M minus small m. So capital M value is 3 and small m value will be changes depends upon stage index. So here for stage 1 small m value is equal to 1 and capital M is equal to 3. So then ERF is equal to we got 4 here, and likewise for stage 2 and likewise for stage 3 we got here 1. So that is nothing but here in previous step in 8th step for stage 1 we got only one Twiddle factor, that is W8 of 0. That factor will be repeats 4 times. And we are coming to the stage 2. Here we are having for stage 2 we got 2 Twiddle factors. These 2 Twiddle factors are repeats 2 times. And at the same time for stage 3 we are having 4 Twiddle factors. These 4 Twiddle factors are repeats only 4 times, only 1 time. And also we are having only 4 butterflies in each stage. And next we are going to see the structure of butterfly. So here we are having 3 stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and for the 3 stages we are giving 8 inputs, that is from x of 0 to x of 7. Here in second step we are going to see that the inputs are in reversal order. So reversal order already we calculated, that is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. So it is in reversal form. So take x of 0 is equal to 8 and all other values are zeros. And we are having and in each stage we are having 4 butterflies. In first stage 1, 4 butterflies are repeat. Fiddle factor will be repeats 4 times. So here for stage 1 we got W8 of 0 twiddle factor. So this factor will be repeats 4 times. So in fifth step, input and output separation is 0 1. So take it as 0 1. So 0 opposite connected to the 1 and 1 is connected to the opposite of 0. So this is one butterfly, and the twiddle factor is W8 of 0, and same wise take 0 1. Here we got like this. Apply same, and the twiddle factor is same, that is W8 of 0 because it repeats 4 times. Next, stage 2. So for stage 2 it is having 2 twiddle factors, that is W8 of 0 and W8 of 2. So these 2 factors will be repeat 2 times, that is C, and the input and output separation for the stage 2 is 2, that is here we are taking 0 1 2. So here 0 is connected to the opposite of 2 and 2 is connected to the opposite of 0. So here we are having 2 twiddle factors, one is W8 of 0 and the second butterfly and the twiddle factor is W8 of 2. Here if we consider the input and output separation 0 1 2, so then these 2 butterflies are connected like this. And next we are coming to the next inputs, same. So already these are connected, so next we are taking these values from 0 1 2. So 0 is connected to the opposite of 2 and 2 is connected to the opposite of 0. So here the twiddle factor is W8 of 0 and these 2 are connected and the factor is W8 of 2. So this is the stage 2 butterfly. And next we are coming to the next stage, third stage. So in stage 3, input and output separation is 4, that is nothing but we are taking 0 1 2 3 4, that is 0 is connected to the opposite of 4 and 4 is connected to the opposite of 0. So likewise here we are connected the butterfly. So here the factor is W8 of 0. So for stage 3 we are having 4 twiddle factors, that is W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2 and W8 of 3. So one is W8 of 0 and this factor repeats only one time. And next same 0 1 2 3 4. So if here the twiddle factor is W8 of 1 and the third butterfly W8 of 2, fourth butterfly twiddle factor is W8 of 3. So already we find out the W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 3. Next we are going to find the outputs for stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. See here for stage 1 we are having 4 butterflies. So for 4 butterflies we are giving inputs are 8 0 and all other values are 0. So then also we get by applying principle to these butterflies we may get zeros here and we have to find for the first butterfly. So for stage 1 we are having butterfly, inputs are 8 0 and the twiddle factor is W8 of 0. So W8 of 0 value is 1. Here our principle is, it may be take it as A and it is B. So our principle is here A plus B, twiddle factor Wn of k. So here A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 0 and twiddle factor value is 1, so here we got 1. And at second output, a minus b wn of k, that is equal to 8 minus 0 into 1, so here we got 8. So for stage 1, for first butterfly, we got outputs 8, 8. So if we take the second butterfly, the inputs are 0, 0 and find the outputs. See here. Here the inputs are 0, 0 and the twiddle factor is W8 of 0. So here we are going to apply a plus b twiddle factor. A is 0 plus b is 0, twiddle factor value is 1. So here it is 0. So a minus 0 into 1, that is 0. So for input 0, 0, outputs are 0, 0. So here the outputs are 0, 0. Same for third and fourth butterflies, 0, 0, 0, 0, because these inputs are also 0. So this is the outputs for the stage 1. Next, see the outputs for the stage 2. So the inputs for the stage 1, stage 2 is 8, 8, 0, 0, 4 zeros. See the first butterfly, that is inputs are 8, 0 and the twiddle factor is W8 of 0. And the second butterfly is 8, 0 and the twiddle factor is W8 of 2. See here the first butterfly, the inputs are 8, 0. So here we are going to find a plus b Wn of k. So here a equal to 0, b is 8, a equal to 8, b is equal to 0 into, here the twiddle factor value is minus j. So here we got the output is 8. And likewise here a minus b, here a is equal to 8, b is equal to 0, a minus b, 8 minus 0 into twiddle factor is minus j. So here we got 8, 8, 8, 8. So write down, this is the first butterfly in stage 2. Here we got outputs are 8, 8. And take this, here the twiddle factor for first butterfly is x of 0, W8 of 0. So W8 of 0 value is 1. So here we got 8, 8, same output. And next take the second butterfly. For the second butterfly we are giving inputs 8, 0 and the twiddle factor is W8 of 2. Already we find the W8 of 2 value, that is minus j. So here W8 of 2 is equal to take minus j. So minus a plus b Wn of k. So a is equal to 8 plus b is equal to 0, Wn of k value is minus j. So here we got 8. And at the same time, at second input of second butterfly in second stage, that is 8 minus 0 into minus 1 is 8. So outputs are 8, 8, 8, 8. And see here the inputs are 0 and outputs are also 0. Already we find out these butterflies in stage 1. See here, for the inputs 0, we get outputs are also 0. And next see, here these are the inputs for the stage 3 and find out the outputs. Here we are having 4 butterflies and we are also having 4 twiddle factors. See the outputs for the, see here for stage 3 we are having 4 butterflies. So for the 4 butterflies having different twiddle factors. First butterfly having twiddle factor W8 of 0. W8 of 0 value is 1. So here the inputs are 8, 0. So for 8, 0 we are getting outputs 8, 8. Next we are coming to the second butterfly. For second butterfly it is having twiddle factor W8 of 1. Here the inputs are 8, 0. So here our formula is a plus b twiddle factor Wn of k. So here Wn of k is equal to W8 of 1. For W8 of 1, the Quidel factor value is 0.707 minus J, 0.707. So here I written 0.707. So that is multiplied with 0 because B value is 0 and that is add with A value is 8. So here the output is 8, and same as for second output for the second butterfly 8. And for third butterfly inputs are 8 and the Quidel factor is W8 of 2. W8 of 2 value is minus J. So here 8 plus 0 into minus J equal to 8, and the outputs are also same 8. Inputs are 8 0, so and we are also get outputs 8. So the outputs for stage 3 is 8 and the outputs are in normal order, that is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7 forms. Okay, here we got x of n equal to so here these are the outputs 8. So here we are going to get the x of k, x of n by multiplying with 1 by capital N. So then we got x of n is equal to so this is the output for the given sequence 8 7 zeros, and here it is the butterfly for 8-bit 8-point sequence butterfly structure. And the next problem is here we are going to find the inverse DFT for the given sequence. So here the sequence is 4-point sequence. So for 4-point in last problem we seen the problem on 8-point sequence, here it is for 4-point sequence. So for 4-point sequence, here the inputs are 10 comma 2 minus 2 plus j2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 minus j2. So here we are taking this x of k as x conjugative of k. So and find and n is equal to 4 and find the step 1. So here step 1 is number of samples. So number of samples equal to n equal to 2 power m. Here we got m is equal to 2. Here number of samples are 2 and outputs are, and in step 2 inputs are in reversal order, outputs are in normal order. Here we find the outputs are in normal order, that is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, that is represented is in binary form. And see the inputs are in reversal order. So here the reversal order can be done by reversing the binary digits, that is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. So here these are the inputs, that is 10 minus 2 plus j2 minus 2 minus j2. So in this form we are giving inputs to the structure butterfly. So see, next step is number of stages. So number of stages formula is m equal to log base 2 n. So here we got m is equal to 2, that is nothing but here 2 stages. For 4-point sequence number of stages are 2, and we are coming to the step 4. Here number of butterflies in each stage, here n is equal to 4, then number of butterflies in each stage is 2. Next in step 5, so we are going to find the input and output separation is 2 power m minus 1. So here we are having 2 stages, that is stage 1 and stage 2. For stage 1 small m value equal to 1, for stage 2 small m value is equal to 2. So here input and output separation for stage 1 or stage 2 is 1 to 1 for stage 1, 2 for stage 2. And next, input and output, number of multiplications and additions. So for n is equal to 4, it requires 4 multiplications and 8 additions are required to find the inverse DFT for the given sequence. Next, our 8th step is Twiddle factor. So for Twiddle factor, formula is Wn of k. So k equal to nt by 2 power m and t is equal to 2 power m minus small m minus 1. So when m is equal to 1, here t equal to, we got here t is equal to 2 power m minus small m minus 1. So here we got for stage 1 t is equal to 0, then find the k. Here k is equal to 0 and here Twiddle factor is W8 of 0. And for stage 2 m is equal to 2, here t is equal to, we got t equal to 0 comma 1. So when t is equal to 0, k equal to 0 and the Twiddle factor is W8 of 0. And for when t is equal to 1, k equal to 1 and the Twiddle factor is W8 of 1. So here we find out the values for the Twiddle factors W8 of 0 and W8 of 1. So W8 of 0 value is 1 and W8 of 1 value is minus j. We are coming to the 9 and 10 steps. Here we are going to find the exponent repeat factor for 2 stages. For stage 1, the factor will be repeat 2 times and for stage 2, the factor will be repeats only 1 time. From this formula, we get these 2 values. And next, see the 4-point butterfly structure. So here we are having 2 stages. For these 2 stages we are giving 4 inputs. So for stage 1, the Twiddle factor is W8 of 0. This factor will be repeats only 2 times. So here the factor is W8 of 0. W8 of 0 value is 1. See. So input and output separation is 0, 1 for stage 1. Fact is W8 of 0 and other 2 inputs are connected like this, W8 of 0. And next, stage 2, we got input and output separation is 2, 0, 1, 2. So 0 is connected to the opposite of 2 and 2 is connected to the opposite of 0. So here the Twiddle factor is W8 of 0. Same. The fact is W8 of 1. So see, for stage 1, the Twiddle factor is W8 of 0, value is 1. Here the values are 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. Here the formula is a plus b Wn of k. Here a minus b Wn of k. Here a value is 10 plus b value is minus 2. Wn of k value is 1. So here we got 8. So and at the same input, second output, a value is 10 minus b value is 2. Twiddle factor value is 1. So here we got 12. And next, second butterfly. So for second butterfly, inputs are minus 2 plus j, minus 2 plus j2 and second input is minus 2 minus j2. The factor is W8 of 1. So W8 of 1 value is minus j. So here the Twiddle factor is W8 of 0. W8 of 0 value is 1. So here a plus b. A is minus 2 plus j2 plus b minus 2 minus j2 into 1. Twiddle factor value. So here we got minus 1 because these two are cancelled. Next here we got a minus b. A minus 2 plus j2 minus b minus 2 minus j2 into Twiddle factor. So here the output is minus j4. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel. We are having minus 4j. So here the outputs are 8, 12, minus 4, minus j power 8 12, and second butterfly outputs are minus 4 minus j4. See, these are the inputs for the stage 2. So for stage 2 we are having two butterflies. Stage 2, first butterfly inputs are 8 minus 4. So twiddle factor is W8 of 0. See, A plus B, 8 plus B minus 4 into W8 of 0 value 1. So that is 4. Next, 8 minus 4 into 1, that is 12. So the outputs for stage 2 for the first butterfly are 4 12. Next, see the second butterfly. So second butterfly twiddle factor is W8 of 1. Inputs are 12 minus J4. See here, inputs are 12 minus J4. Twiddle factor is W8 of 1. So see here, A plus B, 12 plus B is minus J4 into minus J. So here we got 8 and here it is 16 plus 16. So here the outputs are 8 16. So this is the butterfly structure for 4-point sequence. So and these are the outputs. So these are outputs are in normal order, that is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, and we got 4 8 12 16. So these are divided by 1 by 4, that is equal to x of n. So here x of n is equal to, we got 1 2 3 4. So this is the DIT output for the given sequence. Here n is equal to 4, that's why we got here 1 2 3 4. So this is about DIT FFT algorithm. Here we are find the inverse DFT sequence by using DIT FFT algorithm. So this is 4-point sequence, this is 8-point structure. Thank you.